So now let's take a look at building a streamer, so to say. So I'm going to create a meta-human cartoon. Let's say, let's take this guy here. And because I want to do motion capture, I'm actually going to go to the advanced UI. Here, I'll switch on the mocap, and I'm going to track my face. Hi. Hello, 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 hello. Switching the widgets off. I'll have my hands as well. Hey, whoa. Hi, hello, 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 hello. I see I don't have the dynamics on the hair. It's quite nice when that hair flaps around, so I'm going to change that hairstyle and set it to a groom based hair. Oops. And I'll take the gravity a little bit less. So, hey, yeah, there we go. So let me balance that leap out a little bit. But you see how much detail you get in the fingers. It's quite amazing, I must say. It's very fast. So yeah, let's say we're happy with this streamer character. Now what I can do is, like, I want him to sit, for example. Let's say I'm going to add him here. I do want my hands to move, but I want him to sit. So I'll take a seated position, full body, and I'll move that to lower body. Actually, upper body, just a lower body. So now I can move this up a little bit or have him sit a little bit more straight here. That's probably better, actually. Not so far. There we go. There we go. I'll rotate him a little bit. Rotation. Whoops. There we go. So now fix that hand a little bit. Replacement, where is it? So it's more like, so you want to get that pretty much to the same position as where it is on your desk. So let's try that. I have it like on top of the keyboard. So somewhere, yeah, that should do. Not great, but hey, we got something. So now I could, position a camera here. Ooh, hello, hello. Drop this guy a little bit. And I'll switch my head back on as well. So what you can do now is basically, what is this camera here? Yeah, I can set this timeline to basically bounce. And if I want to stream, so now I have a little bit of movement. Hey, yeah. I need to a body on as well. Hey, hi, hello. So yeah, this is how you can stream with a custom meta-human from Replikant. I'll show you what you can do with these characters as well, because there's a lot of things that you can tweak. So you have different shapes in here. There's more to come, a lot more to come. You can see some examples already on here that still needs to be added. But let's say if you want to have like an anime kind of face, you can change them here, or maybe you want an owl. Wait, what is an owl here? That's a little bit much, but yeah, you see, you're going to be able to make some really kind of cool characters here, and it will work the same as the other avatars do, where you can basically kind of just go through all the sections and select and just match it visually. So when we're done with this and I'm in my scene, I can press streamer mode. So what this does, it basically enables a virtual camera. Oh, start streaming. Duh. So yeah, start streaming. So now we go to camera starting, Google, and you'll see you have that now as a virtual camera. And the same thing you can do with OBS or Zoom. What's it called? Zoom. There we go. So we have that now in, and you can still move around here, which is so it's pretty cool. So if I, let's say I want to get rid of this thing here. You have your virtual camera. And if you want to change your avatar, you can basically just go to here and say, okay, let's try somebody else. Let's try this guy here. And as you can see, hey, hello, hello. All right, so that's how you stream. Stop streaming. It will basically release the virtual camera.